Lagi ka bang pagod? Inuuna mo lahat pero sarili mo laging nasa huli. Hi, I'm Rose, isang mom and financial advisor at advocate ng self-love. Alam mo ba, ang self-love ay hindi selfish. It's a necessity. Kaya kung minsan feeling mo drained ka na, eto ang 8 self-love reminders para sa'yo. Number 1, self-love is not a linear process. Hindi laging okay and that's normal. Merong good days, may bad days. What matter is, you keep going. Number 2, self-love isn't selfish. Inuuna mo ang sarili mo? Good, kasi you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of you first. Number 3, self-love takes time. Walang instant. Be patient with yourself. Your imperfections makes you unique. Number 4, self-love open doors. Pag alam mo ang worth mo, mas madali kang rerespetuhin ng iba. Set boundaries, protect your peace. Number 5, healing is not easy. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan ka, it's okay. Step back. Rest, but don't quit. Number 6, be kind to yourself. Self-talk is powerful. Talk to yourself na parang kinakausap mo yung kaibigan mo. Imbes na punahin mo ang sarili mo, subukan mong gumamit ng positive affirmations. Remember, the way you talk to yourself shapes your confidence and mindset. Kaya make it positive and empowering. Number 7, follow your heart. Gawin mo yung gusto mo. Hindi yung gusto lang ng iba. You deserve to be happy. Number 8, self-love isn't always fun. Minsan, self-love means saying no, sleeping early, and choosing what's best for you. Discipline is also self-love. Tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangang maging perfect para mahalin ang sarili mo. Anong ginagawa mong paraan para alagaan ang sarili mo? I-share mo naman sa comments. Follow me for more self-love and financial tips.